can this be the last stretch you ever need? We all know stretching is good for us. Whether it's to reduce stiffness, improve posture, or relieve pain, we're told to stretch regularly. But what if there was one stretch that could do so much good, it might feel like the only one you'll ever need? Let's talk about a powerful move known as the couch stretch. Despite its simple name, it targets some of the most overlooked yet critical areas in the body. This stretch could be the key to unlocking better mobility, improved posture, and even relief from chronic pain. Why stretch at all? Most people spend hours sitting at desks, in cars, on the couch. This creates tightness in the hip flexors, quads, and lower back, which leads to poor posture, limited movement, and pain. Without regular stretching, muscles shorten and become less functional over time. Stretching helps lengthen these muscles again, increases blood flow, improves joint health, and allows the body to move the way it's designed to. Not all stretches are created equal. Introducing the Couch Stretch. The couch stretch focuses on the hip flexors and quadriceps, two muscle groups that get extremely tight from too much sitting. When these muscles are tight, they pull the pelvis forward, causing an exaggerated curve in the lower back. This posture can contribute to lower back pain, knee pain, and even reduced core strength. What makes the couch stretch unique is its ability to deeply target both the hip flexors and quads at once. It not only stretches the front of the thigh, but also helps open up the entire front chain of the body, including the hips, core, and spine. Now to do the couch stretch option. 1. Beginner version. Start near a wall or a couch. Place one knee on the floor with your shin against the wall or up on the seat of the couch. Bring the other foot in front of you, like a lunge position. Keep your torso upright and tighten your glutes to protect your lower back. Hold the position for 30 seconds to 2 minutes, then switch sides. Option 2. Advanced version. If you're more flexible or experienced, you can. Scoot your knee closer to the wall for a deeper stretch. Keep your back completely upright. Raise your arms overhead to add a spine extension. The deeper the angle, the more intense the stretch. But always listen to your body. What makes it so effective? The couch stretch hits areas that are tight in almost everyone. It improves hip mobility, helps with squats, walking, running, and even standing. Posture reverses the effect of sitting by opening the front of the body. Back pain relieves pressure on the spine by correcting pelvic alignment. Knee pain reduces tension in the quads, which can tug on the knee joint. Because it targets so many common issues, the couch stretch feels like a one-size-fits-all solution for modern body problems. Is it really the last stretch you'll ever need? That depends. While no single stretch can completely replace a full mobility routine, the couch stretch comes close for many people, especially those with tight hips, poor posture, or back pain. Doing it daily or a few times a week can lead to noticeable improvements in flexibility, pain relief, and functional movement. It doesn't require equipment, takes just a few minutes, and fits easily into your routine. Whether you're an athlete, office worker, or someone just trying to feel better, this stretch has something to offer. Final thoughts. So, can this be the last stretch you ever need? If you had to choose just one, the couch stretch is a strong contender. It addresses modern-day tightness, fixes posture, reduces pain, and boosts mobility. Add it to your routine, and you might be surprised at how much your body transforms with just one simple move. Try it today. Your hips and your back will thank you.
Like, subscribe, follow for your free back pain relief ebook.